Hi, this is Zain John, and this is my mobile web application development submission, and my student ID is 33104765. First of all, we're going to talk about the first app, which is called the Qt app. And as you can see on your screen, this is the backend coding of the app, and you can see the application ID and all the tasks. And as it is an Android app, you can see the Android logos and everything, the, the backend coding of the app. And now I'm going to run the code, and then you can see the app popping up on the right side of the window. And that's our that's a logo and the welcome page of the app, and you can see cute little icons of the animals and the and the description. Please touch one of the animals of the icon. So we're gonna click on the dogs one, and then you can see the little description pop up. You clicked on the cute dog, and then at the bottom you can see the clear text, and you can clear the text, and then you can click the next one, and it'll just give you the description that you clicked on the group of cute cats, and then you can clear that as well. And as you can see on the screen, this is our second app of the assignment, and this is a travel app where you can book your train and your flights and your etc etc. And this is the backend coding, and these are the different sections of the coding, and you can see on your screen. And I've already opened the app. This is the app, and you can see the travel app London and the little description, and you can see the three different modes of transport, which you can see: boat, train, airplane. And if you click on one of the thing, you'll get a drop down menu where you can select your destination. And as you can see, we selected the boat, and then on the drop down menu you can see three different locations: Greenwich boat ride, Westminster, and Thames River sightseeing. If you, for example, we select one and then you submit, and that's your little pop-up window which confirming that you have selected these and your booking is confirmed. And so yep, and then you can press OK, and then it'll clear the screen. And if you like, for example, you want to clear everything, there's a button which says clear selection, and you can click on that one, and it'll clear all the selection you have selected. And that's our app. And this is our third app. On the screen you can see the backend coding of a pizza ordering app, which I've created for the assignment. And you can see there's different log and different kind of codes and everything. And I've already run the app, which you can see here. And yeah, you can see the description for welcome to pizza ordering app to make your own pizza, select your size and ingredients. And on top of it you can see the pizza selection size, and you can select like whatever pizza you want. And they're like, I've written the frictional amount of how much you are spending on the pizza. For example, if it's like the small pizza, and at the bottom you can see the toppings, and which you can see the price as well. And you can select as much as toppings you want, and you can select all of it. And if you want just like clear all of the selection, you can just click on the clear order, and then you can do it again. For example, I'm selecting small pizza with two toppings, and you can say order pizza, and that's the pop-up which you order, description and everything whatever you ordered. And at the bottom here you can see total need to be paid, and that's the £9. And you're gonna give the total. If I keep on adding, you're gonna see the description at the bottom, and the price are increasing as well. And if you want to clear in one selection, you can click clear order, and it'll clear everything in. And for the fifth app, you can see on the screen is an animal catalog app, and you can see the backend coding of the animal catalog app, name and the color scheme and the version code and everything. And I'm gonna pop up the app, and that's an app on the left side. As you can see, there are the list of different animals, and you can see on the top it says welcome to the animal catalog. These are different animals, and if you click on one, it'll give you the description of that animal and the facts about the animals. And there's a next button as well. If you click on the next one, it'll go on the next animal, and you can read the description and the different facts about the animal. And as you can keep on clicking the next, you can keep on going the next one. And if you want to go to the back, go back a bit, and you want to see the previous animal, you can click on the previous button as well, and it'll take you to the previous animal. And you can read the description, and there's a picture on top as well for the animal, and that's the coding of them. And now it's a third app which is called the register and login app. This is the app where you can register for something, and you can sign in, and you can, if you're not signed in already, you can register. Here you can see like the backend coding of the app, and the different actions for different selections and everything. And now I'm gonna pop up the app on for you, and this is the app. And for example, on the first row, it says please enter your username, and I'll just write anything this and write password. And if I try to log in, it'll say invalid username and password because I haven't logged in. And at the bottom you can say it says sign up, and if you click on the sign up, it'll pop up this page. And if you write your details and everything, it will register you, and it'll take you back to your first page, and you can just log in whatever you registered for as your username and your password, and then you can log in. So, and you can log if you log in, and then you can log out as well. That's the feature. And lastly, this is my book reservation app. As you can see on the screen, there's a coding and there's different program rules and everything. And there's the backend program of the app, and you can just click on anything and you can see the contacts and everything, the coding and everything on there. And if you pop up the window, and then this is my app for the reservation of the books in the library. And if you these are the different books, I've made a list of some books which are very popular, like Harry Potter and different kind of stuff. And if you click on one book, if you reserve it, and then you can like select a date, like when you're gonna return it. And if you click on this date, any date, and you can press OK, and then that's the date you take in, and then it will come up which date you're returning it, and then that's the total reservation of the book from this date to this date. And you can see it written in the description and everything, the name of the book and the total book reserved, and from which date to which date the book is reserved for. And then that's the coding and stuff. And in the end, I'm gonna conclude my video with saying, like, I could have done better with the more interactive features and more attractive colors and everything, and you could have used more lectures and the stuff to make my app more attractive and accessible. Some of the app don't have the back button, like the button where you go on the back home, and there's a bit of stuff lacking in the apps, but they're kind of pretty apps, and I'm very happy about it. And they are pretty much accurate, and they're very interactive as well. You can click different buttons, you can go on different pages, you can do different descriptions, and there's a lot of stuff to do on the apps. But I could have done better than this. But hopefully in the near future, as I'm learning more stuff about the app development and everything, and I could make more stuff like this, and I could have done better. But for now, this is my conclusion about the apps, which are pretty solid app at the moment as well, and hope to see good stuff in the future.